Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right, we're live. Open up in 10 minutes. See what we got going here. Hey, y'all be sure to vote. Are we closing red or green today? I see we're 50-50 right now. Tyler, good morning. Oh, shit, we got more likes and viewers. Okay, off to a good start. Jefferina, good morning. Mr. Opinion, good morning. Mahishu, good morning. All right, let's see. Okay, so we're 50% green. Today is it's a no news Monday, and hey Frank, top of the morning. Oh, hold up, I gotta do the range on APLD real quick. Let's see. So far on the day, APLD gonna be about right there. All right. Appreciate you, Q. D Scurv, good morning. Hey, which way does it go today? Hey, honestly, spy wise, I have it going either way. Um, Hold up. Yeah, I have no idea. No idea to start today. Big Red, Grand Rising. Looking at deck. Let's see what deck is. Not even. Oh, they just had earnings. Alright, might have to look at that a little more. My life be like, good morning. Kareem, good morning. Emmett, good morning. Yoko, good morning. And good morning. Starting out the day, I'm gonna be looking at Robinhood a little bit closer because I took a short right at close on Friday. And in the after hours, it was looking good. Took a short like right on this trend line. It was like right below like maybe like 25% below 77. Runs up, hits about 81 in the after hours. Then it like closes down at like 69, but all that was after the market closed. So I was hoping I had like I don't know, the put was in the money over here. I was hoping we could open up there and I could just take it. But there still should be some right there when market opens if we are where we are. So I'm gonna see if I can I might have to be quick with that because sometimes they like to just buy the stuff up. Let me let everyone know I'm looking at taking profits at open on that real quick. Calls at open. Okay. All right. Did I say good morning, Dwight? Good morning, Dwight. Hey, shout out to the 19 people that came through, 20 people that came through. Smash that like button to start the day. All right, so I'm seeing right now we're voting 62% green. Evil Knievel, good morning. Yeah, so it's not that Hood got rejected. It's just that they didn't get the S&P, they didn't accept anybody in. They just said they're not going to make any further changes. So it's not that Robinhood got rejected. It's just that the S&P, they didn't make any changes. So because of that, it it was kind of being hyped up. That's why it like started popping off because there were rumors of that. Did I say good morning, Kelly? If I didn't, good morning. Ricky Run, good morning. Stanley, Grand Rising. All right. Y'all, the weather was so bad here last night. I'm like, honestly, I'm pretty like sleep deprived. I might have to get off early or something today. I'm gonna have to take a nap before I like really start doing things. So like my main objective right now is like taking profits and then seeing what happens there because I know my decision making and my analysis might be a little off in my current state. So today, like I'm just being real, should probably be like a do nothing day for me when it comes to trading. But things do happen. I am in a state where I would be more susceptible to poor decision making. Just a heads up. See Smooth, top of the morning. M says top of the morning. And let's get this bread. Wait, what was I gonna say? Buying a put on Tesla. Hey, that comes down to you. It's already made a move to the downside a good amount. It's still in a downtrend. Really, I guess it just depends on like what level of risk you go in. Like right now, we got support and resistance right here. If it goes to break resistance, I mean that potentially. Here, but pretty sure I'm just watching with my $10. That's probably watching's not a bad idea today. Tesla trying to go for it early a little bit. Yeah, I'm hoping Robinhood rejects at this 200. Let's scalp the SPY. My account is not set up for that. I'm not trying to blow my trades like that, but we can watch it. Like if I were looking for a scalp, I would say, hey, there's a demand zone, like a 15-minute demand zone right here about 15.99.36. That SPY could pull back into, then have like a quick little push up. Maybe it pushes up here. I don't know. But it's like all that's like that stuff can happen way too fast, like a lot faster than I can execute my orders. So I don't mess with it. If I were scalping like that, it'd have to be shares. And I'd have to have the quick keys like programmed and everything. Randy, good morning. I might stay and watch as well. Hey, I'm here. I'm chatting at the least, but we'll have to see. Let's see if they got anything for me at open. I swung one of the hood puts. Oh wait, I said calls. Let me change that to puts. I said calls. Okay. So there's no confusion. All right, so market's open. Let me see if I can. Okay, thank you, Robinhood. This is what we wanted. Okay. Hey, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. Let's see if I can hit. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and sell out of that on the. Where is it? Oh, hold up. I gotta go to the option contract. Bro, what's up? Trade, sell. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and sell out of that. Can I? Yeah, bro, what's going on? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, take profit on that. Could keep going, but all right, good little profit on that. Let's see. Can I get my order filled? Sorry, y'all. I'm trying to. Bro, come on now. Bro, I keep having to adjust it in my challenge account. Hey, we still came up, but not like what I was expecting. Hold up, I need to figure out what. Hey, real quick. I think I may have. What's this? Week 4? Week 5? Let me uh. Let me see what the goal is for this week, cause I low key don't even know. Real quick. I think I'm on week 5 right now. Okay, cool. Cool. I was up a lot more, but hey, I did what I needed to do there, and I can cool with the challenge this week. All right. Oh, shoot, there was a move I wanted to make. Oh, and there goes Robinhood again. I'm gonna feel bad watching that because Robinhood can fall a lot more. Ooh, yeah, I'm gonna feel bad seeing that today. All right, let's see what we got going here. Uh, what do you think about Merck? I believe it broke resistance. If y'all can like message me the ticker symbols, I would be very appreciative because when y'all send me the whole stock names, that's like a lot more work. But yeah, yeah, let's kind of watch things and I'll look for a confirmation on the 15, but I'm not I'm not like trying to chase anything today. One thing I was looking at though, I was looking at getting a leap on Pfizer. I had one I was looking at, or I'm looking at getting two. I'm trying to like start getting longer term stuff that have potential to move while they're like extra cheap. So yeah, I'm about to. Oh no! Hold up. Let me change that real quick. Cause I'm trying to like plant seeds. Oh no, I was trying to get two of them. All right, so I just picked up two Pfizer calls, $30 Pfizer calls that expire June 18th of 2026. Mass 3DRC, good morning. Hey Chris, good morning. Christine, good morning. Khalif, good morning. Committed to SoFi this quarter, hoping. Hey, let's see. Let's check out SoFi. Oh yeah, we're coming down. Or right now. We'll see. Wait, I'm sorry. Once again, I want to reiterate. Yo, I did not sleep properly, so I'm kind of like all over the place right now. Just want to let y'all know. All right, so Robinhood moving. All right, let's see. Dang, so APLD kind of pulling back. Here, we'll swap out Hood for a second for just a quick look on Merc. All right, so when I'm looking at Merc right now, first off, it's at the 200 EMA on the 400 or on the 4 hour, so it's gonna have a hard time getting above this. It's overbought. So if I did anything here with Merc, I would probably be looking for a pullback, and I'd look for it to at least like that at least the $79 area. It might take some time, but that's what I would look for. This personally isn't one I would trade just because of just because it doesn't look like it gets like a crazy amount of volume. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't get like crazy volume, so because it's not one I would personally trade, but if I were, that's how I would trade it. But like after a pullback to maybe like that $79 area, if it doesn't hold there, then I'd look for about like 77.50 or so. And then I could see it like trying to continue the uptrend after it pulled back to that area. What we have right here? We had Hood right there. Oh yeah, Hood. Yeah, Hood would have been a good move. All right. Yeah, I know that Hood would have been hard to watch, but here, let me alert the family about those Pfizers I just picked up. Oh, let me. All right. Just picked up to what is it? So I got the Pfizer. Here, let me see. Picked up two Pfizer Leaps. PFE Leaps. I think they were $30 strikes. Wait, okay, two $30 PFE or call leaps expiring. I think it was June 18th. 2026, and I paid 60 per share. All right, and actually I got one of them for 90 or 6 whatever. I got it for a different rate. But here, let's actually look at Pfizer real quick so we can talk about it. All right, so Pfizer. Oh wait, that's the morning. But first off with Pfizer, first off, let's look on a weekly chart. So Pfizer on a weekly, it's kind of nasty, but they just swept like some old liquidity over here, and now they look like they're going up. Like, so they had liquidity back here in March of 2020. They're at some real low levels, and it's like from here they could go make an all-time high. Really, I would just like to catch a move to maybe like $30, $35. But I was looking around at it, and the contract I got, it was like I don't know, 30 cents. If we look at what is it? Oh, Pfizer. If we go look at those contracts, and wait, what just? If we go look at the Pfizer contracts, and I got, what was it, June 18th for next year. The delta is 22. The theta, it actually has a negative theta right now. So that's not even a factor right now. But actually it's trading at 65 already, so it's already gone up. And right now where it's at, like if it gets to 30, I've already more than doubled my money. But if this moves $3, like right now it's at 23, and I said I want to ride to anywhere from like 30 to 35. The delta's at 22 now. If it moves $3, it's already 100% mover for me. So it's like I want to start getting things that I can sit on, but I want to get them while they're cheap. That way I can like just kind of get paid from them. And then after it moves, I want to start selling calls against this contract so I can make income off it. Like start running the poor man's covered call with it. And that's why I still have a margin account, so I can still play with stuff like that. Let's see. Hey, very welcome, Rodney. Hey, Southern Magnolia, good morning. Will, top of the morning. All right, so hey, I feel a little better about. Definitely could have got more profit on that Robinhood, but hey, I feel better that we got that move, because we still haven't had like the first 15 minutes. So Chase said, "Good morning. What are we looking at today?" Hey, honestly, hey, I'm not gonna lie. I did what I set out to do today, so I'm kind of chilling now. Cause I know you're in Houston. Did y'all get like some wild weather yesterday? Cause we had like 80 to 100 mile an hour winds yesterday, and bro, I was like stuck in my garage last night because my wife came home late, and she had to like actually drive out to Dallas, and like she was out there too long, and she got caught in it. And it's like pretty much right when she got back, my garage isn't like attached, so it's like I was going to the garage to like walk her back, but bro, it was like so bad, like you couldn't even see. Like it was like raining so hard, and it was the wind was blowing so hard, like you couldn't even see like an inch in front of you. So when I had came back, bro, we were like kind of trapped in the garage until it was late. Yesterday, beautiful and hot, not windy. Uh, Christine, where are you at? Are you like Dallas, Houston, or elsewhere? Yesterday during the day, the weather was, yeah, it was like beautiful and hot, like you said. And then, oh, Houston, okay. No, yeah, in Dallas, it was like I went swimming yesterday, but it was like in the evening, bro, it got nasty. All right, so here, I still had that kind of like that theory on what was it? I think on Friday I was saying like I could see the SPY like running up and taking this liquidity like at this all-time high up here. And I said it could happen anytime from today. So it's like from here I'm watching the SPY for like any breakouts, but I'm not I'm not going like heavy on anything today. Trade news today? There's to my knowledge there is no like news. It's like we might get some headlines. Let me check and see. I think I got my phone on like do not disturb or something. So here, let me check ground news, see if there's anything interesting on there. Mm, something about the UK and Nvidia. I don't know. Matthew, I think the president and China are going to speak today on the trade, dude. I mean, we'll see. I think that'd be good if that did happen. Like I would like to see that happen. Like I would have a lot more comfort if we did, like since we're so high up, go up and take out those all-time highs real quick because it's like, yo, we're so close to that now. Like right now the levels that I'm watching is it's like, oh, we either come back here to like take out this 580 or we go up and like get that 611 first. But it's like it'll be a lot easier for me, or I'll feel a lot more comfortable like making or like catching that downside move if we at least make that move up first. Here, let's see. Gato, buenos dias. Okay. Hey, we're here. Oh, I guess we can stop looking at Pfizer. We don't need to watch Pfizer like that. Let's pull up like Tesla again. Oh, Tesla's at resistance. Hey, Tesla could be a fun one too. Hey, shout out to the 47 people that decided, hey, I'm gonna come to the stream today and I'm gonna smash that like button. Very much appreciated. And then also shout out to how many of y'all voted? Let's see. The 74 of y'all that voted. Low-key, we used to get more voters than viewers on here, but I guess we don't like voting anymore. Never alert. Yeah, never a lurker. Hey, hey, big time appreciate you, D-Scurv. Always a voter, yes sir. It's like I also shout out to D-Scurv for the Robinhood. I don't think I'd be watching it like I did if it weren't for him. So let's see. Uber uptrending. Let's see. Hold up, I got something going on. Oh, Tesla is it's testing its resistance. I would say we gotta watch Tesla. But here we'll pull. You said Uber is uptrending too at the same time Tesla is. What is this? Here, I'm gonna switch out APLD with Uber. I'm not gonna play up. Hey, dang. Okay. All right. Here, Uber. What is this? Uber launches helicopter boat service to. Okay. I don't think that's enough to like send it up like that, but yeah, let's see. Yeah, so Uber broke out. What's it? Okay. I lurk a lot of the time, but I always, hey, we appreciate you, Master DRC. Hey, it's like, yo, one little check in, even if it's like if you just put like a little dot, hey, it's cool. Hey, appreciate you too. Was it Venus behind this 90 call? Hey, that's what's up. What are you in Dallas, or are you in like a suburb? That has only happened a few times in the past one. Yeah, Tesla and Uber. Tesla is they're slowing a little bit. Jam, good morning. Oh, hold up. Let's check out AMD. I see a put going in on them. Wait, when? Bro, they don't show the times anymore. Oh no, yes they do. That was 11 minutes ago. That probably already played out. Still, let me see what AMD's looking like. Okay, AMD at the. Oh yeah, that put definitely. Okay. Mm. What's gonna happen here? Yeah, we're looking. Oh, yeah, Tesla. Yeah, we're looking bullish. We're looking bullish. Can we discuss the price of what is XAU? Is that like the Aussie dollar or something? I mean, we can look at the chart, but I don't know. Oh, okay. It's gold. Okay. Where's it normally at? Hold up. I think we normally just look at GLD. I mean, I don't have much to say about it. Looking for an entry at 220 on Tesla. Yeah, that'll be a good pullback if we get there. But oh, hold up. Let me shoot some of those profits over to my Roth real quick too. All right. Let's see. Um, QQQ's at that resistance. SPY is like kind of chilling right now. Let's see. Oracle is up. Up like what? Dang. Okay. Oh, they got earnings in like 2 days. I didn't even like look at their earnings yet. Like I didn't even this morning on the watch list. I didn't even say anything about earnings. Just thought about that. Hold up. Let's take a look at Nvidia because I'm looking at this contract that I had called out last week. It's still below where we had like added it to the watch list, but I see Nvidia starting to move again too. Might have to. It's like I like Riot. I'm gonna say I'm not too here. Let's. Yeah, I'm gonna have to hold on the Riot for now. But Bitcoin was popping today. Yeah, Bitcoin for the day. I was like, okay. Did see a good GBP USD last night, holding long term, hoping to hit. Bro, when it came to like the currencies and stuff, whenever I was like trading forex, bro, I couldn't fully make sense of all of it. Like the charting, it worked, but it's like it didn't happen in the same, like the timing and stuff was different. It was a lot for me. I was like, yo, I didn't know which news announcements to pay attention to, cuz it's like you see right now today, I just got USD on. This is all we got today. But if I turn everything back on and then go back to that, oh wait, here, I was like, oh, now we got all this. And it's like so much easier when it's just like the USD. So it's like I just keep it like, oh, this was not here earlier. Okay. Yeah, I only look at red folders as well, but or no, I look at orange too. Like that's like whenever you're trading stocks is actually helpful. That's predominantly what I do here. GD, good morning, good morning. U.S. and China resume trade talks. White House seeking handshake on rare earths. Okay, hey, let's look for let's hope for a move up. I see, you see. Hey, top of the morning. Top of the morning. I see, you see. All right. Possible day trade opportunity. Tesla put. Hmm. We'll see about that. Slevy. Love. See, top of the morning. Totem. Top of the morning. Y'all be good. Stay safe. It's time to get the donuts or make them. Make them. Hey, send some my way. I could use some right now. Not my thing. I think my wife likes that, but I like I just like the basic ones. Like not filled with anything, just like hey, basic glaze. Can you give me your opinion on Ford? Let's see. I don't know. I've been programmed to think Ford is the best in Texas. You know, I just thought about the fact that like I live in Texas and the rest of America probably did not hear that commercial all their life growing up. But here, let's see. Let's see. So when it comes to Ford, I do see this liquidity up here at 1046. So I think it can continue to move up. It might move a little past that and then like kind of do some selling off. But yeah, it looks like it wants to sweep liquidity. And then from there, it looks like it's starting an uptrend. So maybe it pulls back to like 1032 or like 1025. I went from meme coins to Forex. I mean, I think that's a good progression. Meme coins are cool if you if you're in on it. Like I have a friend who they have a, or no, she didn't make it, but I have a friend who is like pretty much like right there with the dude who made it. And bro, she got in on the ground floor, like ground floor. And like she had told my wife like, yo, buy this, but she didn't like give any context. She didn't say like, oh, they had a plan. She just said, oh, my friend made this coin, buy it. But like most of her friends are like, oh, people who like girls that just, they just get paid for their looks. She didn't tell us it was like a dude that's like works in tech and crypto. So like it was like it was like on the ground floor, and it's like the point she told us to buy in is it's like more than like 40x. And I was just like, dang. I wish she would have told us it wasn't one of her regular friends. Here, let's see. MRK, nice pullback. All right, that's what we're hoping for. And keep your eyes out on the noise and on the prize, fellas. Does Bitcoin follow trend lines? Yeah, I can show you real quick. So, here, let's see. So I usually look at Bitcoin on higher time frames, but I think I actually may have made a video. I think I made a like YouTube short, like just before Bitcoin broke out, saying like when Bitcoin was going to break out. I think it was like in this area. I think when Bitcoin did this, I said, yo, Bitcoin is about to, I said it could go to like 100K or something like that. I'm not fully sure exactly what I said. I can probably find it real quick. Hey, we're gonna watch it just because it's short. Let's see. Where we at? What is it? Shorts. Oh yeah. When did I post it?
It's
Alright, so I had this one back here.
official. Bitcoin is breaking out on the weekly chart. Here's 3 stocks under $20 that will benefit.
Oh wait, hold up. That's wrong one. Wrong one. I think it might have been one before. Oh, here we go.
Is Bitcoin about to make a new all-time high? On the weekly chart, Bitcoin has been in a flag pattern since March. This morning it actually broke out a little bit and reached as high as $66,200 per Bitcoin. Not to mention, it just put in a higher low, raising the question, is Bitcoin about to make a new all-time high? On the weekly chart, Bitcoin has been in a flag pattern.
Alright, so I didn't say it was going to 100K, but yo, yeah, it was like right here on this candle on October 24th. We knew it was about to take out that all-time high. But yeah, if you look here, up until March of 2025, Bitcoin was following this trend line, and I would argue it's still respecting it because we broke the trend line. We retested it as resistance right here. So yeah, Bitcoin does follow trend lines. It's just this is a weekly chart, so I usually look at higher time frames for Bitcoin because it never stops trading. All right, AMD's pushing up. Tesla still got 10 minutes on this candle, but it looks like Tesla might confirm to the upside. Serve Robotics. What's Serve doing today? What's their ticker? Oh, with the not much on the day, but they got a pretty okay uptrend. Look like they're losing a little momentum. Ondas, Ast, Archer. Okay, y'all are killing me with all the stocks. I get overwhelmed. a little bit, but the roll from last week is up. Hey, good stuff, good stuff. You must have never had a Chevy. Oh no, yeah. I did have a actually I did. So believe it or not, I think it was in like maybe 2021, 2022. One of my subscribers from this channel, he lived in Colorado. I did do some like coaching and stuff with him. But he gave me a truck. It was an old truck. Like a lot of it was broken down, but I needed a car, and he like hooked it up. He gave me an old Chevy S10, and so yeah, I had a Chevy. Had a Chevy for a little bit. I think it definitely cost me a lot of money to maintain, but yeah, it was cool. So I forget I've ever owned a truck, but I did own a truck for a little bit. Just sold nets, but it's up 10%. Oh, and VTS. Meme coins too volatile. Hey, with the meme coins, if you get in, like similar to option, it's like if you get in at a price so low where it doesn't even matter, it doesn't even like it doesn't matter. Like for instance, like if you got in Palantir at $8 and you're still holding it, bro, all these price movements it pulls back to 60, it's like, oh well, I got these shares for 80. Ford is the best truck out there. Then GMC, Dodge is horrible. Outside of, hey, honestly, I can't even really speak. I just know the commercials. That's like I've ridden in them all, but I don't have a preference. A chew top of the morning. What do you think about QQQ today? So the Qs, hey, we're kind of like just chilling in this range right now. Oh, Tesla does not look like it wants to confirm, but yeah, I would look. I'm waiting to see if there's a breakout. Otherwise, we're just gonna chill in this range. Headlines for news are stock related. Lots of acquisitions. Trump and China talks. Yeah, that's yeah. Hopefully, we hear some positive Trump and China talks, but if not, hey, we'll just let it be what it be. I wonder the correlation between the strength of the Dixie and Bitcoin. Hmm. Bro, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, ever since Trump has become president, it's like I used to look at the Dixie a lot more. Like, you see it's at the top of my watch list right here, but it doesn't help me, or maybe I don't understand it to an extent, like how it was whenever Biden was president. It's like, oh, it's like the dollar weakens, stocks kind of go up, but it's like right now, it's like the dollar weakens and sometimes stocks come down harder. Sometimes the dollar weak or strengthens, stocks go down or go up. It's like it does whatever. So it, I'm still like trying to. Everything's too volatile for me to take that into account right now. I need that to kind of stabilize or things to stabilize before I'm like, oh yeah, this is the correlation. Think F will it? Yeah, I think it's a possibility. Yeah, I think that's a possibility for Ford. Good morning, IWM trying to go. Oh, I was wanting to. Let's see. Yeah, I didn't even chart them this morning, so let's move. So yeah, IWM might be in motion for longer term now. Wait, where's So yeah, support was here. Where's market open? Okay, so they still hadn't passed their resistance on the day. So yeah, resistance is going to be up there. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Oh well. Yeah, we'll just kind of leave those there to do what they do. Drive a 2022 Dodge Charger. Okay, my boy, I see you. Or if assuming you're a boy, I don't know, but I see you. Hi, bro. Are you in any day trades today? So I took profit on a Robinhood trade that I grabbed over the weekend, like just before the weekend started, and then I grabbed some Pfizer leaps. But other than that, no. Here, let me actually add those Pfizer leaps real quick. Add those to this watch list. What was it? Where's it? Oh, right here. There we go. Add that to the watch list. All right, we got the Qs testing resistance. Yeah, let's see what happens here. Yeah, we got the Qs pushing up. All right, Nvidia's pushing up a little bit. Heavy Chevy never let you down, and you can work on it yourself. I used to be a car salesman, and I sold the fruit out of Chevys. April, good morning. Hey, what are some good sources to know the high impact news of the week? So, first off, for starters, we got a Forex Factory. So Forex Factory, oh wait, that's tomorrow. But Forex Factory on whenever there is like high impact, you're going to see a red folder. So yeah, forexfactory.com, and yeah, red folder. There's also, let's see, oh, we don't have any this week, but orange folder is going to be like medium impact. But yeah, it's like I'll check this every day to see kind of what's expected. Then we got ground news right here. And so ground news is another one. I think you do need to subscribe to this, but yeah, this is another one. If anyone is interested, by the way, I got like a 40% off code, but it's not like a crazy subscription or anything. I think it might be like 50 cents a week or something like that, something low. And then the last one, I don't have it on the computer, but here I can show you. Let me see if I can get my phone up, but give me a second. Last one's going to be hold up, let's see. Oh. There we go. All right, so the last one is going to be Webull. So if you go to like the news down here, a lot of times their headlines are going to be good. Like a lot of like really relevant stuff is going to be like on this news in the headline section. This is going to be more of the top stuff, but the latest, like when it comes to like if somebody's like, oh, what just happened, or like what's going on, you'll look right here and it's like very recent, And a lot of times, if you see something in orange right here, let me see, like something like this, a lot of times it'll be something a little bit larger. So when it comes to like mobile apps, I kind of find this to be a little bit better. And then also one more, let's see. Where's it at? Oh. This one, I'm not gonna lie, this one's a lot slower, but this is the CNBC app. So I get like headlines here. So it's like you can look at you got top news here. You got like the trending news. So this is all gonna be pretty much everything stock related. And I did show y'all like ground news, but I actually prefer to look at this on the mobile as opposed to looking at it on like on the computer. All right, so back to the charts. The markets are crazy because of him. One tweet in the market. Hey, 100%. That is exactly. All right, so once again, that Nvidia call is starting to come back. It's starting to come back. There's some opportunity there. I had told y'all that I could see Nvidia going to be at all-time highs by the end of the week. It's looking like that could still happen. And the AMD's going for it too. I know my portfolio. Let me get a good look at my portfolio. I know it's happy right now. Oh yeah, we're liking that. I prefer to buy lower, but hey, we're liking that. All right, let's see. Rocket Lab took off today. What's their ticker? All right. Oh, Tesla confirmed. Tesla might be running for it. So yeah, Tesla on the day is good for calls. Or for now. I mean, it might face some resistance at 1297. But yeah, Tesla, it might be good for calls. I don't know. I see QQQ now trying to push for. Yeah, it pushed. It pushed. It got it. Wait, not to flood you with stocks, but these two have had a lot of attention lately due to RDW. What is RDW? Oh, that's not what I was trying to. I was trying to do that over here. Redwire. Oh, okay. Defense. Okay, I'll add that to the list. Just get that on there. Then asked. Oh, dang. That's why y'all were talking about that today. Yeah, it did go crazy today. It's kind of wild. Is this already on my list? Let's see. No, it's not. Okay. Yeah, that's crazy. I'll have to watch that on like have to lay some groundwork for that to see if there's anything to get there at a later point in time, or watch for any pullbacks or whatnot. Yeah, AMD's going for it. So they do have some liquidity at this 122.53. So if they get up there, let me make sure I have my alert on that. I'm not sure. I don't think I have an alert on right there. But yeah, if they get there, it might be a good spot for a short. I might be willing to go for that. Cause yeah, there's that liquidity there. All right, Phil, what's up? Top of the morning. Qualcomm, bro, y'all are throwing the stocks. Y'all are throwing the stocks today. Yeah, Qualcomm, hey, it's running too. We got a lot of chips and stuff running today. They're going wild. So yeah, the Qs have broken above their resistance, but I always gotta wait for the confirmation candle because lately in this market it's been saving lives. It's been saving my life. It's like they like to do the little fake out. Sometimes you miss out on a move a little bit, but it's like I'm cool with missing out if I'm gonna be saved. Just found your live. I remember your first videos. I appreciate you, Steven. Appreciate you big time. Hold up. What's going on here? Wow. That's crazy. I didn't even know my mic wasn't plugged in all this time, or plugged in all the way. All right, USAR. This USAR, let's see. Oh, rare earth elements. In 2014, I had 2000. Oh, Dodge Charger. I read that as Doge at first. But yeah, Dodge Charger. By 2016, it was repossessed. I was not paying myself first before deciding if I could afford a 5-year car note. I'll have a testimony someday. Hey, it sounds like you got one. Yeah, but hey, honestly, I probably know a lot of people that's not out of the way for here pretty soon. I had like somebody, bro. I heard somebody talking about like he was looking at getting like I don't know. I think it might have been like it was some kind of GTR, but it was like 70K. It wasn't anything too crazy. And like homie, we were like talking to him about this. Like I was like, yo, what would the monthly payments be like that? He was like, it's only 70K. I'm like, whoa. I'm like, dang. I'm like, that's probably more than the purchase price of all the cars I've ever owned. And well, not like the new purchase price, but you said only 70K. I was like, yo, that is. I'm like, for a car, it's one thing if you got it like that, and it's a drop in the bucket, and you can just buy it cash. But yeah, that's more than my student loans too. I'm like, but he was like, I just asked. I was like, I'm like, do you know how much the monthly payments would be like that? And then he was like, I think he said something like, he's like, I think like 1,600. I'm like, bro, no, it wasn't 1,600. It wasn't that wild. I think it was like 1,300. I'm like, dude, that's like rent for a lot of people. And I was like, insurance? He's like, oh no, I didn't look at that. I'm like, bro, that's a no-no. But he's like really adamant about it. I'm like, hey, I mean, if you have all the information, that is that's it is what it is. Core weave taken off. All right. So here we can let me add it to the list again. Or let me over here. But yeah, definitely overwhelmed with the stocks going up today, or with the amount of stocks going up. But yeah, we got them on our list. Hey, have a blessed day, Mahishu. Let's see. Bought it in September, then traded for a Renegade, but after 12 days, I took it back and was able to get my charger back. Dang, that's wild. Trump doubled tariffs for aluminum and steel. Don't think this affects tech companies, so we like what we. Yeah, that's wild, man. Is Nvidia good for it? I would not go for a put on Nvidia. I would not do that. I would not do that. I'm starting a swing strategy on Solana. I was going to do this for XRP, but I think XRP can go overnight with Catalyst. Might be good to hold XRP at the levels you have it because it can take over Swiss banks overnight. Something. Dang, I hadn't even really been looking at crypto like that. It's like whenever crypto is like on like that, I'll be profiting from it. But it's like I feel like right now for me, it's like, yo, I still get the same returns over here with this stuff. I understand a little bit more. I'm not saying I don't fully understand. Well, I do not fully understand crypto, but I do understand it. What do you mean the queue's saving you? Not the queue's saving me. It's the confirmation saving me. So it's like I may have said the queue's saving me, but I meant the confirmations have been saving me. Like right here, we got a breakout on this candle. And then this candle right here looks like it's going to be confirmation. Just got to wait 2 minutes. If it doesn't come back and contact this line or anything, the trend is confirmed. Like the breakout's confirmed and it can continue. But it's like a lot of times you'll get a breakout. This candle will kind of push up higher. And then it'll like sell off back below this. Or sell back to the line and it like just ends up going down the rest of the day. So a lot of times just waiting for this next candle for confirmation has recently just been saving me a lot from like taking losses. Need gold to hit 2280. Let's see. Do you have any contracts on your watch list that are cheap for newer people? Less than 50. Not at the moment. I picked up a Pfizer call for like $63 today, but it would need to that's going to take some time. Like I got a lot of time on that. That's for like June. That's for like a year and like 9 days away is when it expires. Let's see. My boy was looking at a navigator and said his payment would be oh my goodness. That's like my rent. That's my rent with the garage. Oh. So that's more than my rent. More than my student loan. First live stream, found your channel. Hey. Appreciate you, Robert. Hey, happy to have you. Lots of people put them. Yes, very much so. I once paid 650 a month for a vehicle. Never again. Palantir just went green on the day. D curve. I'm actually kind of. I'm close. I'm close in that boat. Like I think all in on my payments. It's like I have payments, but it's like I legit was like I was in a better car payment situation before I went to Europe, but I sold my car and I was like, yo, I don't want to make payments on the car while I'm out in Europe. So sold my car, and then when I came up back, like the interest rates and stuff were higher. So I think all in, I paid probably like 470 a month for my Tesla, and then when you add the insurance, it's like it's about 670 a month going in on that. But hey, it is what it is what it is. Don't have to pay for gas. So I'm cool with that. Palantir just went green for the day. It looked like it had to be half a second because I still see it at like 44 cents down. All right, the Qs looks like okay. So the Qs did confirm. They can run. I might go here. Let's see. Let's see if we have anything here. Let me look at my position. Yeah, I might try to. Here, let's see. Look at different contracts on the Qs and let's look at the EMAs and stuff. See where they are on the Qs. Honestly, we'll probably get a retest of this level. So I'll add an alert there. And if we pull back and like retest, I'll grab like a call on the Qs today. If we get a little retest action, because we got a break already. And the retest for a call, I think I'll be cool with riding something like that. I think I got like about $100 I'd be willing to throw at it. Oh, hold on, I'm looking at puts. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, if we can pull back, I think I would be looking at like a maybe 535 or 536 call. But if not, I'm not tripping. Oh, hold up. AMD is about at that level too. They might be. Actually, might have to look at a short on AMD. That might look better. Hold on, let's see what's going on here. Let me look at the weekly on AMD. This is a. Oh no, hold up. Yeah, there's liquidity on the week too. I might get something on AMD instead. Actually, if we hit this level, we'll see. Yeah, AMD is very. Yeah, I might get an AMD put instead. Let me see. Yeah, I got my eyes on one. We'll see if we can like get there. If anyone's into real estate, watch the market these next 5 years because of boomers passing away and family inheriting houses. The price isn't going to be able to. Hey, we'll see. We'll see. U.S. signaling a willingness to remove restrictions on some tech exports in exchange for assurances that China is easing limits on rare earth shipments. Maybe looking at another bubble. Very well could be. I regret buying a put on Tesla. Did you buy one today? Yeah, that's what I mean by the confirmation. So it's like Tesla came down to about 281, but they didn't confirm. This was liquidity. That's why that confirmation candle very very helpful. Tesla kind of confirmed to the upside. Like Tesla, there's a good chance it might like push further. Yo, I really want AMD to get up here. I think AMD actually looks like a decent short. Easy to get liquidated on Bitcoin. Yeah, that's why with Bitcoin, I look at Bitcoin on the 4-hour and the weekly chart. I don't make day trades on Bitcoin. It's based off of higher time frames for Bitcoin for me. I'm liking the resistance. Mark said, is the big delay on the stream intentional? So if there's a large delay on the stream, make sure. Here, let me see if I can. Here, I'm gonna bring up the stream for you. Let me see. I'm gonna pull up my stream and I'm gonna show you. Let's see if I can go to my stream. How do I see my live? Oh, I think I can. Here, let me go on like a private browser or something. All right, so here, let's see. We're going to go to my stream real quick. And yeah, we're gonna click on
earn points on.
Oh, they're trying to feed me an
at
ad.
any home.
All right, so if you're thinking like, yo, the stream is delayed, anything like that, here, let's vote. Let's vote green. Oh, I can't vote because I'm not signed in. But if you're thinking like the stream is behind, just know that you can end up behind on the stream. Because I'm live right now, but I don't see I'm live. So if you're behind on the stream, if you think there's a delay, make sure on the stream that you click on this live button right next to the volume button, and it'll bring you up to being current. Because like if I'm paying attention, I can see, oh, right here, I can see my screen and I can see it's 9:38 or whatever. And for me, like when I look here, if I'm being real, the delay looks like it's about like 3 seconds, if I'm being real. So it's like there's not that much of a delay. I would just make sure that you make sure it's close. All right, let's see. Move your yeah. Does anyone watch the I don't know anything about ICT. I'm pretty sure I know there's stuff I do that is considered to be ICT, but I don't know anything about ICT. When is good to short Nvidia? I would look on a higher time frame. So probably from a supply, probably a level of resistance or something. Because right now Nvidia is in a strong uptrend. Like if we're on the 4-hour chart, it's not overbought or anything. The next area I might consider like a pullback might be around like 148 or somewhere in that area, but right now I wouldn't dream of it. It's like you may be able to catch some quick scalps on Nvidia to the downside, but I think it's easier to like hop in for upside. Once again, that call that I was talking about, like being gone and like being down, hey, it's back up again. I still think that's gonna play out and pay out pretty well. Here, let's see. APLD 15-minute 3 strong. So M-Sense, when it came to the 3 strong soldiers or whatever, that's I know what is it? D-Scurve always says on the 30-minute. So it's like I would say look for a little bit more time or look on a slightly higher time frame. That's not like my strategy, but I would say look on a time frame or a higher time frame. Like on the 30 minutes, we got one 30-minute candle, another one, and we need to see what happens with this one. So still have like 18 minutes till you really have anything on that. Let's see. Also, FMST was a stock I started looking at around $3, picking up a lot of volume. Here, let's see. Dang, we're pushing. Oh wait, hold on, wrong spot. It's oversold on the day. Looks like it's falling past a low level of support right now. Oh, it's almost at the 48 EMA. It might be a good time to pick it up for some more momentum if it's like that. That might be a good area, potentially. My wife and I have no car payment, so much easier and cheaper. No, yeah. I mean, the good thing about the Tesla is I don't have to pay for oil changes. I hadn't had to pay for any maintenance or anything the past year. No, like I have not done anything except for like refill the windshield wiper fluid. That's the only thing I've had to do this past year with my Tesla. Maybe put a little air in the tires here and there. Actually, I've only done that once too. It's like everything's been good. Anyone catch that non-farm payroll report? I don't know. I don't really like watch them that closely. It's like I'm like, how's the market moving? What's causing it to move? And then I'm on to the next. Amazon news? Not that I know of. IonQ at the AstraZeneca AWS achieved a 20x speed up in quantum. I don't know. I think there was some on Friday, but I don't remember. MRC. So we looked at MRC earlier, or Merck. So yeah, they're doing exactly what I said they would do earlier, or what it looked like they would do. So now, I would say look for support either here or down. There's actual support down here around 77.30. It is in an uptrend. So if this trend is going to continue around anywhere from like this 77, 60 down to like 77.25 or so would be a good area to catch a reversal to the upside. CNC is in a downtrend, and it very much so looks like that's gonna continue. Yeah, I see nothing to stop it for now. Next level of support is gonna be about 54.61, but it's in a downtrend. Not much to say there. New here, and I've been loving the channel. Do you have any contracts? No, I do not. Wait, I feel like I already said that. What contract are you looking at? So first off, we have to see if AMD is going to happen. But I was looking at a 117 put, but it's like if it doesn't go up there and sweep that level, I'm not going to do it. I may end up like it looks like the call on the Qs might potentially happen first. So I might go for that retest first before, and maybe not do the AMD yet today. We'll see. Tesla Robo Taxi. Yes, that's what's that, Thursday? Only thing I've seen different today is a lot of super long commercials. Oh, interesting. Did they not like let you skip the commercials? Are they making you watch them? That might be telling us, the commercials might be telling us something about the economy. I'm not sure. I honestly think the delay lies where you read the comments. No, yeah. It's like I realize I read the comments like way after the fact, because it's like people want analysis, and it's like I do analysis and then it comes off, or it goes way off, like just because I'm trying to read everything. To the 36 lurkers, I don't want to go to Alcatraz tomorrow. Yo, hey family, we're very close. This is a friendly reminder. Yo, if you have not smashed the like button, yo, if there are 13 of you out there who have not smashed the like button, it would be very much greatly appreciated if you rolled through and smashed the like button. Appreciate you, family. All right, let's see. Might have missed your answer to my question. What's your preference for charting 2 minutes? I prefer 5. I prefer to chart in higher time frames because they are stronger. The lower the time frame, the more likely you are to get wiped out. Everything on higher time frames, they carry more weight, they carry more information, they carry more data, they carry more volume. So it's like the higher the time frame, it's like, yeah, you got to be more patient, but the easier it is to actually identify the potential for a move. Whereas it's like it might look like it's moving a lot on a lower time frame, but you really miss a lot of things not starting on the higher time frames. So that's why top down analysis is a thing. You want to start from the top down, start from the higher time frames. That way you're aware of what's going on in the higher time frames, and then whenever it's time to, I don't know, if you want to scalp or be like surgical, you can drop down to the lower ones, but it's always important to know what's going on the higher time frames. So it's like right now I'm on the 15 on all these charts, but it's like I always start the day off in the least, like being aware of what the market looks like on the 4 hour for that stock. I have to speed up his videos because he talks so slow. His name is Michael J. So what is it? Yeah, I have to 2x my own videos. I 2x a lot of videos on YouTube. But yeah, I know you're not talking about me, but it's like I talk too slow for myself to listen to too. But some people like my slow talking, so it's cool that some people can watch me in real time, but it's like to me, it's like I definitely think a lot faster and like receive information a lot faster. Whenever it comes to listening, sometimes it's like if I'm reading, it's like I gotta like read it a few times to actually hear it. 30 minutes or longer, definitely stronger on those three. Okay. For price down, I do monthly, weekly. Yeah, sometimes like whenever things start getting nasty, I'll go up to the monthly. But most of the time it's like weekly. I'll go weekly. Most of the times I'll skip over the 4 hours. Sometimes I'm like, oh, this one looks weird on all those time frames, so then I'll go to the daily, but most of the time I'll skip over the daily chart. Love to scalp trade gold because I'm too afraid to get liquidated if I hold. I mean, if you got the day trades or if you're on something where it doesn't affect you, hey, it's chill. Nvidia working on that third green candle. Let's see. No, yeah, Nvidia, like I stand behind what I said last week. Yeah, it's working on it. It is working on it. If we get it, I would really like to see the SPY pull back to here. Actually, let me here, let's, let me add indicator, remove. I forgot how I did it. I was able to add like the, no, not at a value. There we go. Okay, so yeah, whenever the Qs kind of come into contact with that 13 EMA, I will, there is a good chance I'll try to grab some upside for the day. Phil, just a heads up, I was eyeing the 117 put, but also I'm not getting that unless it comes up. Actually, let me go back and see like the liquidity I was eyeing, because it came up here to this like 122.35. I have it at 122.53. I don't think it's swept yet. So unless it comes up and sweeps that level, I'm not gonna do anything with it. But let's see. Oh yeah, it hasn't come up there yet. Like I would want it to come up there before I did anything. So it may not. It's probably not time for anything with AMD yet. So I'm gonna just leave it alone for now. So it's like the AMD looks like it's getting good, but it's like maybe it's something for tomorrow, maybe some more days. I don't know. We'll see. All right, what with Tesla what you don't pay in money, you pay in. I disagree. Yeah, I very much disagree because it's like well, actually, I think it depends on your lifestyle, and so for me, every time I stop at a Tesla supercharger, it's when I need a break. It's like I enjoy all my times at the superchargers, and in Texas, a lot of them are at like Buc-ee's and stuff. So it's like at the superchargers, it's like, okay, let me take like 20, 30 minutes and let me get something to eat, let me use the bathroom, let me chill. It's like we got the little entertainment. It's like my wife and I, like if we're on a road trip, we will legit like walk in, we'll go get some food. Like if it's Buc-ee's, it's like, oh yeah, let's get some burritos, let's get some snacks, and let's get a drink and let's go to the car. And then like we'll watch, like, I don't know, we'll watch something on Netflix, we'll watch something on YouTube. But it's like if I'm on a road trip and I'm trying to just go, it's like I'll rent something. But most of the time it's like I'm not in a rush. I'm trying to like slow down and enjoy life. So it's like I very much enjoy with the Tesla. And then like it's charging as we speak, so overnight and all that stuff, it's all good. Like don't really have to pay for it. But yeah, if you're going like long distances and have to stop, it sucks. Here, let's see. Everyone I know who has a Tesla legit loves their car, no complaints whatsoever. I might hop. So I'm gonna say the charging can be annoying. I've recently ran into situations where I've had to charge. I'm like, normally like when it's just me and I'm just living my life, I think anytime I've ever needed to use a supercharger for me, I naturally go at the hours when it's not busy. But like sometimes I'll have to like coordinate with my wife and stuff, and she moves more around like I guess regular people times. Like so it's like, yo, she's always doing stuff at the busiest times of the days, and I'm like, yo, why? What is with the decision making? I'm like, we legit live a life where we don't have to move on the same timelines as everyone else. That's like that's how I try to work, and it's like with her, I have to run into that, even though we don't actually. She does have a job she goes into a little bit, but it's like not even like 10 hours a week, so we still like run into that, and it's like when I have to go to Teslas during those hours, it's like, yo, how are all these stalls filled? And so that does happen sometimes. But no, most of the time I don't have to do that. So that can be annoying. I'm like, why is this Ford F-150 using a Tesla charger or using a Tesla charger? And it's like the way it's parked, like when I see all these like non-Teslas charging, it's like it's cool that Tesla's opened up for them to charge, but the manufacturers did not place their charger in a way that is efficient for it to be charging with Teslas, because some of those cars I see like taking up like two spots, and it's like mad annoying. Like, come on now. But it is what it is. But nah, I like right now I would not go back to a regular gas car. If I get another car right now, it would be a Tesla. And it's like I loved the Camry I had before. I'm blown away at the horsepower Tesla has. I've had a few catch me. Oh no, yeah, no. People try to like race, and I'm like, nah, it's not even close. Every time I'm blown away. Yeah, Spy is chilling. They like got close to resistance, came down, not letting me. Oh, dang. I wonder how YouTube like chooses, because it's like I know they have the ads where it's like you can't skip like the 15-second ones. Sometimes the 30-second ones you can't skip. And then like they have the ones that are like, bro, they're like minutes long, and if you don't skip those, it's just gonna play and play. All right, I got you. Okay, let's see. A Fubo 530 call. I want Fubo to come down, man. Honestly, I don't know how I feel. It's like Fubo's in a downtrend though. So I would say until Fubo pulls up, it can continue to do this. But also this could be a channel down. Like this could be a little channel, so I don't really know. I would just draw something like this on whatever you're doing and kind of see what you think from there. Rigetti is looking good. Oh yeah, that's a nice little pullback right there actually. Right now on a 4-hour, they did just get across to the downside, but it's appetizing. I like the pullback. Gotta watch that. I'll continue to watch that. Next support below 1068 is gonna be around. It's gonna be around like a 990 or so. My daughter is moving to Texas soon. She loves Bucky's is nice. It's nice. Is Bucky a beaver? I believe so. And sometimes Bucky, they'll have like a little mascot in a Bucky costume. Just walking around Bucky's. Like taking pictures with people. I think they do it like maybe once an hour or something like that. Over 100 likes. Yes. Hey, what's up, Lucky J? You know we gotta drop one in. Hey, what's up? What's up? That's what that guy's saying. All right, let's see. BYD is a nice. Yeah. BYD, bro. Yes. Bro, let me get one of those over here. It's like I wish I had invested. Wait, where's the? Hold up. I wish I had invested in the where's the BYD listed here? Bro, I know I don't know, but I know BYD is they're nice. They are nice. Bro doesn't like Fubo. So I like the stock Fubo. I'm not gonna lie, when I use the platform, it's kind of like laggy. I wish it was like faster, but Fubo, I just wanted to pull back so I can get my entry. Cause it's like I got some orders like left way down here at 150. And it's like every time it's like, oh shoot, getting another chance. It's like, oh nope, back up. So it's like I may never get those. We'll see. Thinking of getting a Hood 80 call for a month out. That could do well. Let me take another look at Hood real quick. I'm glad that that put kind of played out. They got me a little bit with the 1-2 this morning when they tried to like pull back up. But still made some good money from that. Let me go back to a 4-hour. Right now it looks like Hood can well, they kind of pulled back here. So, I don't know, we'll see. It's like I feel like they can pull back. Like this trend started at the 62 area, so that would be a better area for it to go to. It'd also be nice if they pull back to the 200 EMA on the 4-hour. Here, let me set an alert. If they pull back to the 200 EMA on the 4-hour, I'll for sure get that. Hey y'all, I'm about to be dangerous now. Now that I know that I can actually set it like right on the EMA even as the EMA changes, bro, that's game changing, bro. Cause there were so many times I would miss trades just cause those values changed. But now that I realize I can do that, game changing. But honestly, there's opportunity. I feel like there's gonna be a better entry like opportunity, but I still think that could do some work too. Speaking of Beavers, congrats to my Oregon State University baseball. What is CWS birth for the 8th time? Hey, congrats. Oh, BYDDY. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, it's like this is one I would like to own. It's like I see what they do. I'm like, yo, that's nice. I like their work. They're way better than Tesla, but if we didn't have those crazy taxes, and if I could get a used one without all the crazy taxes and stuff, yeah, I'd probably be on that. Torque, not horsepower. Power. I had wondered. Tesla my Tesla. Game over. Oh yeah, it's game over for real. Yo, we're about to come up big. Slide that patience in with these with the ability to catch that. Yo, it's game over for real. I'm telling y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get this napping a little bit. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, y'all gonna see a big run here pretty soon. I already so we got I think the thumbnail's trading with 300 or 200. We're about to have to switch that to 300 now. And it's like I am sorry to anyone with a smaller account that semi gets left behind, but hey, it's just a challenge. Here, let me low key. I'm gonna go get something from the fridge real quick. I'll be right back. All right, we back. Oh, hold up. All right, when was this posted? 2 minutes ago. A trade went in on Apple. Where is it? A trade suggestion for a put. It's a day trade. Let's see. What's the targeting? Oh, I don't know how I feel about that. All right, let's see. Oh, hold up. When you looked at Hood on the 4 hour, my 200. So do you have your extended hours on, ED Silver? And Boeing's taking off. Let's see. Oh, wrong chart. And let me pull up Hood for you. Yeah, Boeing's taking off a little bit. Boeing has restarted 737 MAX deliveries to China with recent aircraft arriving for Xiamen or airlines. If you don't have extended trading hours on, that's probably why the EMAs are in different spots. Yeah, if you turn it on and have extended session, extended trading hours, like if I take this off, the 200 EMA is down here at like 62, but with extended trading hours, it's up at oh wait, hold up, that's the 4 hour, or that's the 1 hour. All right, so on the 4 hour, it's down here at about 57, whereas on the regular trading hours, it's all the way down at like 50. Speaking of silver, it's moving. Is it? Oh, yeah, it's kind of going wild. Yeah, silver does appear to be moving. Amazon allocating another 20 billion to artificial intelligence. Is that what came out on Friday? 14-year high. We're kind of chilling right now. I just like what the nuclear uranium stocks are doing. I think we're finally going to see. Let's see. Oh, that dude is maintenance. Thought he lived here. All right, let's see. Oh, wait. It's 4 use? Dang it, I did 3 again. How long is a while? Let's go up to week. Honestly, it still seems like a not bad area to get it if it's really gonna be like that. If you have the chance, can you give me your on this penny stock game I've been? Penny stock game? Oh, okay. Hold up. So when it comes to penny stocks, my analysis doesn't really work for it, but we can look at it. Oh, Yeah, looking at this on a higher time frame definitely won't do any justice. Bro, where are they at? Where's the price at, man? I'm not a fan of it. I mean, first off, it's like you have it moving up in price, but the volume is pretty low. You do have like three spikes that seem kind of random to me, if I'm being honest. And oh, hold up, yeah, we might have an entry on the cues right here. We got like a little first low, created some liquidity there. We got the EMA almost there. Oh, I might prepare to grab like a call for on the cues for the day. But let's see. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this of game. Like it's been on a downtrend. Hold on one second. Let me yeah, we are very much so approaching with the cues, so let me just see if there's all right. Think I'm in position if I want to do anything. I got it on its last upswing. I'm waiting for my position to come back. Oh. So I'm looking at tomorrow's expiration, but we'll kind of see where it is if it pulls back. I'm not going in with more than $100 though. Know that. But yeah, also I can't call my strike prices out beforehand because when I do, it's like they start running up in price. It's like I feel like the market makers may be watching me. And it's like anytime, like even when I was buying the Pfizer earlier, I said what date I was looking at, and like the price just started going up. I'm like, oh no. So I'm like, I gotta like wait. But I'm looking at tomorrow's expiration, but I don't think it makes as much of a difference saying that with the SPY because it's like there are already a bunch of eyeballs on the SPY, but it's like when I say that with something like a Pfizer, it's like I don't think there's like that many people looking out a year on Pfizer right now. Like a mini pre earnings. Hey, we getting a little bit of move. We're here, what, 12 minutes before Euro close? Just a random. Oh, hold up, getting close. Okay, I'm here for it. And we'll go for it. Oh wait, oh hold up. All right, all right. So we got a retest. I just grabbed a 5:35 call that expires tomorrow and I paid 74 cents per share. All right, so looks like we ended up getting the retest of the line I was talking about. Let me share that with the family. Just grabbed a 5:35 call expiring tomorrow on QQQ. Paid 0.74 per share. There we go. All right, so it's up 5 cents. Let's add that to the watch list too real quick. What did I say, 5:35? There we go. Well, it would be nice if we could come get this high, but we'll see. Let me go back to the 15. Wait, okay. Daniel, what's up? It already hit the liquidity. Yeah, we'll see if the trend kind of does its thing. Pulling on back a little bit more. It might be a sustained move. We'll see. I'm gonna still watch the candle, but here, let's see. Trying for a stop loss grab is going to make an all-time high again. Hey, that's what's up. I guess we can pull it up. All right. And the stocks were stocking. All right, let's see. How do meta calls look a month out? Let's see. Meta. I mean, they don't have any. They're approaching a weekly supply zone, so I would think they can get back to resistance. Like I think they can get back to all-time highs. Like I'm still of the mind that everything can make its move back to an all-time high right now. But I would say they look decent with how things are trending right now. So that's just looking off the weekly, but on the 4 hour, they got like a trend going. Oh, yeah. Actually, I'm not sure I drew the best trend line right there. almost looks like it's doing something. Oh, we'll see. But I think they look like they can continue on. Let's turn on some EMAs. Where's the? We need a 13. Oh, that's not what I wanted. All right, there we go. Let's see. Like, it seems all right. If you're just riding the trend is up until there is this is a supply zone it's about to be in, but I can see it like slowly rising to the top of that before selling off. I set it to the moon. I got greedy. I was up on QQQ and it already went down. Dang. I can see QQQ going up to kind of continuous trend for the day. As long as it holds here, I can see that happening. We'll see. Or as long as it doesn't confirm here, I can see that happening. Hello, newbie here. Can you explain a retest after it breaks out of the high or low of a 5-minute candle? So a retest is like we got a breakout here, this line right here. It doesn't matter what time frame it is. I mean, it does, but it's the same thing on every time frame. It's like a break and retest on a 5-minute is not as strong as one on a 15, but it's going to be the same on any. So whatever time frame you're trading on is whatever time frame you're trading on. But a break is like, hey, the resistance level is up here. It broke. And then right now it is coming to retest the level. And what I am of the belief that would happen is it's going to keep going higher. It may not just like blast up like that, but it could like do something like this, keep making movements until it stops. But this is a retest unless it comes back down. If we end up not holding here and closing below this, then the retest failed and we just fell through. If we end up, this retest fails, this move was like a fake out. Can you look at SoFi for possible puts? So SoFi, the possible put was this morning when it was at the trend line or close to it. So, or it looks like as of like 4:30 as of like maybe 30 minutes ago, we got a cross to the downside on the EMAs on the 15. So if it pulls back to that, you could go for a short, but and then what was I gonna say? There is some liquidity down here as well as the 200 EMA, so I would probably watch out for that. I would wait for it to pull back up before I try to short it. But I don't like SoFi that much because they play games. All right, the Q's is trying to play with me. It's like right there. It's like if it closes right here though, it's fine. It was just a retest, but yeah, it's looking right now. It's looking like a retest. Let's see, 2 seconds. Yep, retest. So far, it's looking like a retest, but yeah, we're still above it. So we're trying to come down, trying to come down. We'll see. Maria, good morning. Rodney, you're welcome. Do you have a video on confirmation supply? So yo, I got a whole playlist like that pretty much downloads everything I know. Um, let's see. So you gotta save the link to the video. Like I would definitely, or not the video, it's a playlist. So you gotta save the link to the playlist. But yo, this playlist is the first video is kind of long, but there is a lot of good information in there, and like that pretty much downloads all my information, like everything that I people ask me about, and I go over like every day. All these questions I've gotten, it's all in that playlist, and if you go through it and take notes, go slowly, practice all these questions that you've seen me get asked today and that I kind of get asked on a regular, I go over throughout those videos. Very welcome, Dresha. You're welcome. You got it right on VWAP. I don't like to, I don't really love VWAP, but if that lines up, that lines up. That's cool. Welcome, Mark. What do you think of Hood right now? I ultimately think there is still a chance it'll move lower, but honestly, I got my bag and I'm cooling with it right now. I really just want to see what it does because I can see it like pulling up again before it comes down. But I'm kind of in a wait and see world with Robinhood. I'm not gonna like chase that too closely right now. I don't touch the stream delay. So it's like if you, as long as you once again, I'm not sure if you were paying attention, but I had talked about like if you just make sure you press the live button or you slide it to where it's closer, it's like it'll be live, but the only delay is like where you are in your viewing. Cause I think from we pulled it up and we were looking at it, there might be like an actual like 3 second delay from like me to what's actually showed on live stream. But I don't have any delay like set. I agree on Robinhood is coming back down to the 65, 67 range. Yeah, I'll just be patient with that. I'll see what Robinhood wants to do. Cause I could see Robinhood coming up before it comes lower. I don't know. Maybe it has it retested today's high yet? Yeah, it's already hit the 200 EMA. Like this right here, it made some liquidity. It swept the liquidity, but also it made some liquidity over here. So it's like there's a lot of things that could happen. I'm not trying to get like lost in the sauce that is Robinhood, because I think long term it's a great stock, but I was just trying to take that bag from earlier. Think F will go up after consolidation. What do you think, Matt? I mean, it's still riding the trend up. Dang, AMD. That would have been a short from the time I was talking about it. But I'm gonna be real. I don't think I'm gonna get out of this. I'm probably not getting out of this QQQ on stream, but I do feel like it's gonna go higher today. Lower lows, lower highs on hood since Friday. Hey, honestly, this is looking close to a double bottom to me right here, though. Like on the 15, like this. I guess Friday. Like if you look at Friday's bottom and then this morning's bottom, like from where the candles actually closed on the 15. So it's like I feel like I could see it coming back to at least this to take out this liquidity. I don't know. I would want to see how it does there. Okay, the QQQ calls up a little bit more. Okay, we'll take being up 2%. I'm here for it. Or actually, I think it's up more. I think I got in like what I get at 74. Oh yeah, it's up 10%. Yeah, we'll take that. Oh, I forgot you said something about T too. I don't know how I feel about T, man. I don't understand this like stock in the way it moves. If it wants to hold here, there's some liquidity at 28.26, and then there's some resistance at 28.42, but I have no idea. Robinhood doesn't fill my orders sometimes, even though I'm selling. Market likes to take. Yeah, low key Robinhood, like I feel like they still do some sketchy stuff, but I still feel like it's good enough for what I need. It's enough. Let's see. Try doing it on your phone. It usually closes faster. That's where I take all mine from. So I love Robinhood Legend. Just wish they added more stuff to it. Hey, at least it's free. Just got Moomoo and like it so far. I still have Robinhood as well. Yeah, it's like I feel like all the platforms have like their benefits and drawbacks. Unfortunately, there's not that one just that dominates. Can you explain why you bought QQQ? So I'm playing a break and retest. Here we can probably like look up the strategy. Let's see. So, let's see. Look, so this is what we did today. So the stock, it moved up. It was trading. And then, we can see there is resistance at this line right here. So I had a line of resistance. It broke through resistance and then it came back to retest. And this is where I bought. And this is what I would expect to happen. It doesn't always play out like this, but just with the statistics and whatnot, when you get a break, it'll come back to retest and if you can ride after that retest. Usually goes pretty well. So that's what we're looking at. So looking at it, you can see here, like over here, once again, there was the resistance that was formed, broke through it, going back. You see there is resistance. Like it's like, of course, it's come above the resistance, but this is a level of resistance. And oh, what just happened? Hold up. And then we broke above it. Now we're retesting. And now all we can do right now, since the day is not over, is watch and see where this goes. I'm going to personally take this, slide this up here and set an alert. But yeah, we'll see. I don't know what'll happen, but we will see. You said, Matt, which one do you use again? I use Robinhood. I use Moomoo. Those are the ones I use for trading options. Robinhood and Moomoo. You ever thought about trading funded or trading futures? I think I've tried before on a funded account. And it's like I passed the first round and then I started trading with real money, and then they I don't know, it's like I forgot about the rules. I'm personally not a fan. I think they set you up for failure. I'm not saying like you can't make money with them, but they're not designed for you to make money with them, and they're like, that's not their objective. I think it kind of messes up your trading psychology. But no, I've found it's better to do and get myself there on my own. If I buy a call and the strike price reaches the call price, do I get back the money? No, you don't. So the only thing that happens is that you're able to sell the call at a higher price. You can get your money back whenever you want. You're just selling the contract at a higher price, or the contract needs to be worth that. That's the only way you get your money back, is if you sell the call either at the same price or higher. I've had commercials every 2 minutes. Interesting. That is weird. So here, I'm gonna show you right now. Like oh wait, wrong tab. All right, so this is what it looks like. This is how I see y'all, right? And here, this is how I see y'all. And every morning on the monetization, it's like it's either conservative, balanced, or aggressive. I forgot to check the thing this morning, so if I don't check this one, it's going to naturally be here. And it's like we can see if that makes a difference now. I'm not sure if it'll make a difference midstream. Let me know if it slows down, but it's like it just kind of does it on its own. I can't really do anything. I think if I wanted to add an ad, like if I wanted to hit y'all with the ad, I could like press that, and y'all would probably get hit with an ad. I don't know what this. Oh, hold up, there's a delay. Oh, this delays it for like 10 minutes, so I can do that. I can promise you won't get an ad for 10 minutes, but it's like, other than that, there's not really. It's kind of just, I don't know. That's YouTube being YouTube. Hold up, let's see. All right. Volume is key on break. Oh, yeah, that's something I honestly don't pay enough attention to. But it's very true. Yes, volume being key. That's like, what's the screen I'm looking at? What is the Q's doing right now? It's chilling. I would say like don't take a trade if you don't like understand it though. I was like, this trade wasn't supposed to like take off and just start running right away. But yeah, I would say like before you take any trade, make sure you understand it. Don't want to be in a position of nervousness because just because didn't know what the full intention was. I'll say the Qs is still looking good on my end. Like looking at the EMAs, it's crossed to the upside. The trend is still to the upside. It's already set liquidity here, so I would think at the least that it comes to touch that. If I'm being real, like I'm about to like sign off this live stream in like 15 minutes or so, and I'm probably gonna take a nap while this position occurs, like while this is moving. It could get nasty. It could go down. Like if it goes down, it's like dang, I'm down on the trade, but there's still tomorrow too, so we'll see. What do you think of Hood hitting 72 today? I think there's a good chance. Like once again, I can still see the well, I think there's a chance. I can still see the possibility of it like hitting this two up here, like close to 74. It's like I don't know what'll happen, but it's like I think it's possible. 100% on funded accounts paper trading can be iffy too, depending on your mindset. I never paper traded. No real. Yeah, I never like had like a real period where I paper traded. I always like the Robinhood watch list. I love because it's there so I can see like, oh, how would this option contract have moved? I find that to be helpful, but like actually like, oh yeah, you have an account with like $1 million or whatever in it. I honestly, if I had $1 million, I wouldn't be trading options. I wouldn't be like daily trading. I'd be swinging. I'd be swinging options. I'd be getting my stuff with like I begin leaps. I begin like stuff with like most of my contracts will have at least 3 months time on it. I wouldn't be looking for the moves every day. I'd be like, okay, I got more time. Let me enjoy my time. All that good stuff. You know, I'm not trying to. I wouldn't be in here like that. Or it's like I might be here, but it would be for y'all. It wouldn't be for me trying to like get money. No real risk, and that can create a false sense of success. I've never seen an ad. Oh, that's good, Bob. It's crazy how everyone has like completely different like ad experiences. QQQ cop the squat. Hey, they might be trying to come down. We'll see. Let's see what they look like on some other time frames. Here, I'm gonna turn that volume off. So on the 30, we might have 3 to the downside on the 30. I don't know. We got like 10 more minutes, or 11 minutes, but we'll see. Do you think SPY will pull back in? Eventually. I don't know about today. It's like I have no idea. It's like if I think something's gonna happen, like that's notable, I'll tell y'all. But most of the time, like when y'all ask me if I think something's gonna happen and it's something that I have on the screen, it's gonna be like I don't know, could happen, possibly, but it's like anything can happen. Y'all know who's in the office right now. You said I talk fine. Hey, I try. Hey, try my best. Try my best. Let's see. I'm paper trading till. Oh, Sarah, I think you might be behind. Let me see. Let me message her. Behind. Wait. On the stream. There you go. But if you're live, then cool. But yeah, just wanted to give a possible heads up. All right, when I paper traded, I set it to an amount I would actually be able to use. So 1,000 is what I practice on. Use Weeble. It's pretty cool for them few weeks. Matthew has a Weeble link, whoever. Palantir looking good. Let's see. Oh, yeah, they've gone green now. Oh, hold up, wrong. One other thing I would say for Palantir, though, is also we need to see what happens here. Wait, why is... Let me try to fix that a little bit. Yeah, we need to see if this is a thing. Because Palantir is looking good, but also it looks like need to watch out for that. I like Robinhood, but I really want to find easy to use desktop trading app. Hey, I wish I were the one to tell you, the one for you, but I still like. I keep saying I'll get to it, but I do not get to desktop trading. Robinhood, so sketch. I got a meta option play until the 20th, and I'm excited, but today it hit. Yeah, the see profit, take profit is real. Y'all saw me at open. I'm like, yo, I'm not trying to play these games. Yeah, it's like, hey, honestly, focus can really focus can get you there. Like whenever, like it's like sometimes it's like, okay, this one's complicated, but if I focus and take a little bit to learn it, then, hey, what does TradingView do? I see people using it, but to use it to trade or I use it to view the markets. A lot of people will use it to view the markets as well. Honestly, I don't know anyone who I don't personally know anyone who uses it to trade. I know people who say they connect theirs to it, but like you can hook your brokerages up and trade with it directly, but all the people I know personally, they use it to look at the charts and then they execute elsewhere. Like I think TradingView is like the best charting platform. Okay, Evil connected Moomoo to TradingView. Do you execute any trades with it? What version of TradingView do you use? Oh, like what level of like membership? Let me see. I guess TradingView Premium. I guess I'm not sure what level of I'm not sure. Like there are different tiers, but I think I got like the highest. I have the highest non-professional TradingView membership. I recall you saying I was behind. Oh, okay, Sarah. So here, let me. If you catch up, if you end up catching up to this, let me. Here, let's see. I gotta pull it up again. So here, let's pull up another incognito browser. Go back to my channel. Wow, the searches for myself are really going up right now. Oh, there's an ad. Hey, look at that. I'm getting paid right now, y'all. Probably getting paid like a penny. Oh, this is... Oh, there is a skip option. Okay. All right, so looking at it, like if, once again, if we're behind on the stream, like, I don't know, say I just watched an ad popped up, and now I'm behind on the stream. Oh, I just realized y'all can't even see what time it is on mine. But yeah, I want to hit this button right here to make sure I'm live. And then also, here, let me move it a little higher so y'all can actually see what time it is. All right, so now at the bottom of my screen, y'all can see what time zone I'm in, or like what time it is. So right here, as I'm recording this, while we're having this speaking, it is 10:56 and 52 seconds Central Time. If that's what time it is, or if you're within a few seconds of that, hey, it's all good. But yeah, no matter what time it is, make sure you're within a few seconds of this, and that'll be how you know you're live. All right, that's it. No, I didn't know what to do connecting this. Oh, okay. I asked this last week, but I had to leave the live on Robinhood. I have margin accounts. I prefer margin accounts because they open me up to, they allow me to do things that I can't do on cash accounts. It's like I don't necessarily need to make a day trade every day. So I personally just, margin accounts are more beneficial to me. Which show we are synced up. Even though, yes, we should be synced up. Yeah, as long as you see our times are similar, you know, the hour might be different, or maybe if you like make a difference, like you can change the time zone if you want to do the Chicago just to make sure yours is the same. Hey, you can do that, but it's all good. It's weird. I haven't gotten any ads today. Just at opening, no ads. Hey, that's a blessing. Hey, maybe you gotta. I don't know if you have an ad blocker, but hey, wait. I have an ad blocker on Google, but I still get YouTube ads. I don't know. Okay, let's see. Yeah, TradingView is cool, and it's good for beginners too. Only thing that can be a little bit annoying, the thing that got them to get me paying for TradingView was like some of the pop-up ads did get a little annoying, just a little bit. But other than that, yeah, it was cool. right, so yo, that's gonna do it for the day, family. I'm about to prepare to hop back in bed and take a nap. Cause I did not sleep anywhere near enough last night. So I would like to take this time to say, I mean, first off, hopefully while I am resting, the Q's decides to go crazy in a good way. Wait, we have a red engulfing on hood. Hold up. On 50. Hopefully it's not too bad. Here, yeah, they kind of did retest. I mean, yeah, Hood is in a position to go down pretty strong. It's like if it loses this, the next area should come to it as at least 65. But yo, it's probably gonna end up at some point going back to that. But anyways, family, yes, thanks for stopping by. Appreciate y'all setting us free. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Hey, peace out, Kelly. Peace out, Mark. Peace out, Jonathan. Peace out, Sarah. Peace out. I play Roblox. Peace out, D Scurv. Peace out, Kareem. Peace out, Dwight. Peace out, Natasha. Peace out, Southern Magnolia. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, Daniel. Peace out, Matt. Peace out, Anil. Peace out, Breeze. Yo, if I miss you, it's not because I don't love you. It's just because, yo, we rolling out. But yeah, y'all stay blessed. Peace out, Dresha. Stay blessed. Once again, Matthew Mayo signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family. Oh, peace out, Frank. All right, that's it. Catch y'all. Oh, peace out, Gato. Catch y'all.